Hi guys, welcome to Mika's Garage. In the second episode of this series, we are going to do an initial clean of the backup engine and remove the accessories. This engine was running and it has been sitting for over 2 years. As it is turning freely and it is just a temporary solution while we build a proper engine, we are just going to do a top-end rebuild. The first step will be to clean the engine by spraying degreaser into the long hole. To avoid any water or degreaser going into the engine, we are going to block all engine holes with some rags. For this initial clean, we are just using a standard degreaser that you can buy off the shelf at any supermarket to spray over the engine. After leaving it for a while in the block, we will use our high pressure gun from the compressor to spray water to remove the degreaser. In the end, we use a air hose to dry out the engine. It's now time to start removing all the engine accessories. As we had the engine stored in one of our shelves, and to make it less bulky, we had removed the fan housing, the dynamo and the carburetor. From the accessories that are still installed in the engine, let's start by removing the fuel pump, which is held in place by only two 13mm bolts. Next, we are removing the admission, which is held in place by two 10mm bolts on each side. The admission is normally also connected to the exhaust, but in this case it had been previously removed for easier storage. now possible to have access to the head's tinware, which is held in place by two bolts on each side. To pull out the tinware for cylinders 1 and 2, it is also necessary to uninstall the thermostat mechanism. step was to remove the oil cooler. It is held in place by one bolt at the top of the cooler base and two underneath the cooler base. The last item we are removing from this engine is the Dynamo Pedestal. It is held in place by four 13mm bolts. In the next episode, we are going to take care of the heads, cylinders and pistons, where we will uninstall them from the engine, clean them thoroughly, and reinstalling using new gaskets. Hope you enjoyed this video, and do leave your feedback on the comment section below. Your thoughts are greatly appreciated as they will help us improve our videos. Hope I can see you in the next video. Do click that subscribe button and see you next time!